Good day, everyone. You might hear it in my voice today, but I've been a bit sick lately, still not 100%. And you know what the hardest part of being sick was, or sick is? It wasn't the fever or the headache or the cough, it was the guilt. I sat there with this nagging, anxious voice in the back of my mind telling me, Jock, you're losing time, you're falling behind, you should be uploading, you should be working, you should be doing something productive. It made me realize how deeply sick our culture is. We have been so brainwashed by the hustle that we treat a basic human need like recovery as a moral failure. And it forced me to ask myself a very deep, honest, heavy question. Who am I actually raising? If you have been carrying the same heavy, exhausting, um, sad feeling lately, that feeling that you are somehow lagging behind in your career or perhaps your finances or your life goals in general, I want you to take a deep breath with me and listen to this because the truth is, you're not behind. You can't be behind. You know why? Because in this life, there's nowhere else to be. Think about where this anxiety actually comes from. From the day we start school, we are handed this template. That template, we are told there's a linear path in life. You go to school, university, you start your career, you have a marriage perhaps, buy a house, and you go on retirement. We are forced onto a racetrack where we are constantly looking to our left, looking to our right, measuring our own progress against the lane next to us. If a colleague perhaps get a promotion faster, we feel behind. If somebody on social media buys a bigger house or a new house, we feel behind. But human lives are not manufactured on an assembly line. We are not identical products. We can't be. Your timeline is entirely your own. Some people find their passion at their 20s, in their 30s. Others find it late 50s. Some people build empires and lose them. Others build a quiet, beautiful lives of peace under the modest roof and keep them forever. When you when you tell yourself you are behind in life, you are comparing your messy, your behind the scene footage with everybody else's polished highlights. It's a game you and I will lose every time. But here's the real shift in in perspective from my view. Life is not a journey with an actual destination. If life were a race, what is the finish line? Think about that. The end of the race is old age and ultimately the grave. Nobody's rushing to get there. Well, I aren't. I'm definitely not. So, if the end point is the same for every single one of us, then the only thing that actually matters is the walk itself, scenery, the people walking next to you, the dinner table you sit at tonight, the kids whose laughter fills your hallways in your house. There's no golden future where you will suddenly arrive and finally be allowed to be happy. If you cannot find peace in the quiet, unglamorous moments of today, even the days when you are sick, or you're recovering, or you're just standing still, you won't find it when you reach whatever milestone you are chasing. The present is the only GPS on the map that is actually real. So if you are tired today, physically, perhaps mentally, or even emotionally, give yourself permission to stop running. Drop the guilt. You are not lazy for needing a break. You are not a failure because your path doesn't look like the one on the brochure. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Waking up, breathing, and doing the best you can with the strength that you have today is more than enough. Thank you for spending time with me while I'm getting back on my feet. Let's keep it real and let's stop feeling the guilt and raise this imaginary opponents. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Lekker bly guys. Bye bye.